Hello everybody, welcome back to another video here. Today we are going to do this Costco 5-pack tin. I'll just take this off the camera to open the box. It's going to be a lot easier. I ordered this from their online store. They didn't have them in the store anymore. So let's get right into it. I have my sleeves just right here. Sleeve the Cinderace Hollow. The Inteleon Hollow. Sleeve it up. The Rillaboom Hollow. And then we also get a Dialga, or Dialga, whatever, how you want to pronounce it, hollow. I'll take these tins out. I'll stack them on to the side right there. I have scissors here. Now, online, it only showed the one version of the tins, but I've heard of people getting 3 different versions. There's a Raikou coin with the card, and then we get an Astro Radiance and a Brilliant Stars. So I'll just get all the tins opened up and then we'll just get right into the packs afterwards. Usually I do this type of stuff off camera. We get another Raikou coin. We get the second card, and then Astro Radiance, Brilliant Stars. I'm wondering if the only coin available in these tins is the Raikou one, because third tin, third Raikou coin, Astro Radiance, Brilliant Stars. Unless our luck's really bad, yeah, Raikou seems to be the only coin available. So we have 5 Raikou coins. I'll divide the packs up by what they are here. We get 5 of each pack. For those of you who didn't know, when you get these, oh shoot, I think it goes like this. Yeah, it makes one big picture when you get all 5. Alright, we'll start off with Brilliant Stars since it's the older set out of the 2. Three, 4 to the front. We get a Metal Energy, Claydol, ooh, Collapse Stadium, Crawdaunt, Milcery, Purloin, Spiritomb, Starly, Riolu. Oh, we get a Trainer Gallery, Octillery, and then a Druddigon non-holo rare. Sleeve this up, put it to the side. Get started with my second pack here. One, two, three, four to the front. We get a Grass Energy, Cleansing Glove, Chinchino, Prinplup, Golett, Corphish, Sock, Cherubi, Clefairy, a Reverse Hollow Minccino. Ooh, and the Charon's Care Full Art Trainer card. Beautiful, beautiful card. Sleeve that up. And hold on. As we all know, I sleeve up my reverses as well. Get into our third pack of Brilliant Stars here. Doing pretty good so far. 2, 3, 4 to the front. We get a Fire Energy, Pot Helmet, Luxio, Collapse Stadium, Shinx, Milcery, Purloin, Spirit Tomb, Starly, a Reverse Hollow Piplup, and an Electivire, non-hollow rare. Fourth pack of Brilliant Stars here. Here's that code card if you want it. I'm planning on doing something with all these code cards. Don't know what yet. We get a Psychic Energy, Cleansing Glove, Floatzel, Sigilyph, Piplup, Shroomish, Purloin, Duskull, Sneasel, Reverse Hollow Torkoal, and another Charon's Care Full Art card. What are the chances of that happening? Sleeve it up. And also sleeve up this Reverse Hollow. Two, three, four to the front. We get a Psychic Energy, Marnie's Pride, Team Yell's Cheer, Fracture, Snorunt, Nosepass, Axew, Baltoy, Chimchar, Reverse Hollow Alcremie, and another Druddigon non-hollow rare. So not bad. 2 hits out of the Brilliant Star so far. This turned out to be the same card. Move those to the side here. We'll get started into the Astro Radiance packs now. One, two, three, four to the front. We get a Fire Energy, Jubilee Village, Noctowl, Zizu, Cyndaquil, Scyther, Hisuian Growlithe, Bronzor, Rufflet, Hisuian Quillfish Reverse, and a Registeel non-hollow rare. Get into our second pack here of Astro Radiance. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. We get a Fighting Energy, a Hisuian Electrode, Gardenia's Vigor, Temple of Sinnoh, Scyther, Hisuian Basculin, Hisuian Voltorb, Ponyta, Kricketot, a Milo Trainer Gallery Full Art card, and a Regirock non-hollow rare. So not bad so far out of this box of tins. 3 full art trainers. And into our third pack here. 2, 3, 4 to the front. A Fire Energy, Jubilee Village, Dartrix, Drifloon, Mantine, Hisuian Voltorb, Hisuian Basculin, Glameow, Poochyena, Reverse Holo Roxanne, and a Vespiquen non-holo rare. Two, 3, 4 to the front. We get a Grass Energy, Trekking Shoes, Ursaring, Choi, Mischievous, Barboach, Scyther, Eevee, Heracross. We get a Radiant Heatran in our reverse holo spot, and a Diancie holo. Get these cards sleeved up, put to the side, and then we go into our last pack of Astro Ratings here. Can we get some last pack magic? Let's hope. Let's see. 2, 3, 4 to the front. We get Dark Energy, Drifloon, Trekking Shoes, Golduck, Sudowoodo, Magnemite, Ralts, Hisuian Sneasel, Mischievous, Reverse Holo Hoot Hoot, and a Mismagius non-holo rare. So we do not get last pack magic, but we'll review what we got here. Starting off with the promo cards that aren't really promo cards. The Dialga, the Rillaboom, the Inteleon, the Cinderace, the Diancie holo, the Octillery Trainer Gallery, the Radiant Heatran, the Milo for our Trainer Gallery, Charon's Care, and a Charon's Care. Alright, if you guys like the video, please leave a like down below. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment. It helps the algorithm and helps the video grow a little bit. I do reply to all the comments, or I try to at least. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I do have some more great Pokemon stuff coming up. I do have some other gameplay videos coming up and stuff. So yeah, see you in the next video. Peace.